Hi everyone, it's Jess, Head of Product at Class Manager, and I'm really happy to be able to share that we can now have the ability to add attachments when sending emails. So when you go to create an email, you will see a new section at the side where you can add attachments. Here it tells you the file types that are supported and what the maximum size limit is. Remember, if you're wanting to send videos, you can add these as a link into the body of the email. So when you are adding an attachment, there's a couple of ways to do this. You can select a file, or you can drag and drop. So here I'm just dragging this over from my desktop and dropping it in here. If you try and drag in or upload a file that's not supported, it will tell you the reason why that can't be added, and the same if you go over the file size limit. So once I've added the information that I need and added the attachments that I would like to send, I click send, and that sends the email, and then I can see here that on this email there are a couple of attachments. If I want to have a look at that, when I scroll to the bottom, I see that those attachments are there. If I want to edit and resend this email at a later date, when I do that, it will automatically add the attachments that were there originally, and I can then keep those, or I can remove some, and yeah, do whatever I need to for that resend. If I go to delete an email, when I click to delete, it will tell me, are you sure you want to do this? And that it will remove any attachments as well. So that is the new functionality. If you have any questions, please do let us know. Thank you.